Typhoon Quinta moving near Luzon, Philippines. Tropical Depression Quinta has left last Saturday. It was moving towards South China Sea, but unfortunately, it has re-entered in the Philippine area of responsibility. It is expected to bring widespread rains, particularly in Luzon. Under the signal number 1 are Occidental Mindoro, Oriental Mindoro, Northern Palawan, Coron, Cuyo Island, Masbate, Romblon, Marinduque, Batangas, Biliran, Northern Negros, Iloilo, Aklan, Capiz, Antique, and Guimaras Island. The Philippine Atmospheric, Geophysical, and Astronomical Services Administration spotted the Typhoon Quinta in the vicinity of Rojas City. According to Pag-asa, it is moving west-northwest at 22 km per hour with a maximum sustained winds of 55 km per hour near the center. Pag-asa said that northern and central Luzon will be experiencing cloudy skies with scattered rain showers and thunderstorms. Typhoon Quinta will bring heavy rains over northern Luzon and in different parts of the country. Whatever happens, Philippines remains strong and steady. Filipinos are always prepared. This is Anne of Synergy.